Hello my friends, how are you? Welcome to my channel. We still explain how to use Signal Private Messenger step by step. Today we will learn how to make a video call on Signal app. Let me show you how can we do that. At first, click on Signal app icon. Then select person who you want to make a video call with him. Let's select this one. Click on video call, which showing on top right. You will get the message, Signal needs the microphone and camera permission in order to call home, but they have been permanently denied. Please continue to app settings, select permission and enable microphone and camera. Press on continue. Allow Signal to take picture and record video. Press allow. If this is your first time or watching my videos, please make sure to hit subscribe to get all new videos. Also consider like, share and comment, and we will do our best to respond to all comments as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.